Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titignan natin kung ano yung energies for you ngayong June 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Capricorn, let us see the energies for you ngayong June. Kumusta ang mga Capricorn dyan? Okay. Mindfulness. Uy. So, ito yung pagiging focus, no? Meron kang mindfulness. Whatever you do, you focus your attention. Kahit simpleng bagay, halimbawa nagwawalis ka. O, nakafocus lang din yung attention mo. Kasi nga, ang inaayos mo ngayon is yung concentration mo. Kasi pwedeng iba sa inyo, kayo ay magulong isip lately. Like all over the place. So this time, you're training yourself to be more focused. And passionate. Ganda. October 31, sino sa inyo rito ang may kakilala na pinanganak ng October 31. Sinakita ko dito. Or this is a significant time para sa inyo. Baka October 31, 2026, no? Passion. O kung kayo naghahanap ng partner, baka merong partner na darating sa October 31. O, claim nyo na yan. This can also mean a passionate, passionate interest. Creative passion. May achievement. You will be able to achieve something like, hindi mo lang siya ma-achieve because nag-decide ka na i-achieve siya, but also because naniwala ka na kaya mo. Pwedeng tingnan nga natin kasi ano tong achievement? In what area of life tong achievement ng Capricorn? Third house. So this is about networking, friends, friendship, communication, something to do with your siblings. You have Venus in Gemini. Okay. So this can be opening up to someone, okay? Especially sa love, no? Kasi Venus is the planet of love. And Gemini energy is also being more open and expressive, no? Sa feelings nararamdaman mo. Okay. Kaya may passion. Or whatever creative na pinupursue mo. Overall energy is the High Priestess, intuition. Ngayong month ng June, part ng pagiging mindful ninyo, yung focus ninyo is hindi kayo magpapadistract sa mga nangyayari sa paligid nyo. You will also do things in private, do things in secret. Kumbaga may projects ka, may plano ka, hindi mo na to ipapaalam sa iba. Gagawin mo na lang. And di mo na i-share. Like, bahala ka. Parang gano'n. Oo. And this is also your wisdom. So, mas nagiging malakas yung iyong kaalaman. Mas pinapagaling mo pa yung sarili mo. Now, your challenge is the Four of Wands. Pwede magkaroon ng challenging situation sa family. Venus in Aries. Okay. So, if there is something that you need to take action, kailangan mong gawa ng paraan, ng step, do it. Kasi, kapag hindi mo siya nagawa, baka hindi mo na siya gawin. You get my point? Whatever this is na gusto mo, like may idea ka, you take action on it. Kasi pag hindi mo na to, pinansin, wala eh. Masyado ka nang magiging busy. So, depende na rin yan kung gusto mo talagang i-pursue yun, gawin yun. New opportunity, the Five of Pentacles. New opportunity for you can be pagbabalanse ng iyong finances. Kasi pwedeng meron kang mga hindi naayos na finances. Let's clarify. What is the Five of Pentacles? Ace of Cups. Okay. So, ito yung pagiging, let's say, ikaw ay, yung parang impulsive. Oo. Sa iyong mga gastos. Kasi ang Ace of Cups is emotions, feelings, and merong imbalance na ng finances mo. So, this is an opportunity for you to fix whatever is not balanced in your finances. Okay? Now, let's see your blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Capricorn? Okay. The Knight of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, kung naghanap kayo ng love life, meron. Merong blessing of new relationship. This can also mean an offer of opportunity sa business, sa trabaho. Something na gusto mo. Growth, pag-unlad, pagpapalawak ng mga nasimulan mo. Part din ng growth mo ay yung pag-aaral, no? Pag-collect ng mga data. Data collection. Love. Merong nag-grow ang love. Love na nag-grow. Part ng blessing niya yan, no? Love life. Rebirth. New beginnings. It's like a brand new you. Yung iba sa inyo, Capricorn, kung dati parang wala ka na interest sa love life mo, baka ngayong June magbago. Maging interesado ka na sa love life mo. Kasi may darating. Kasi, pwede naman kasing maraming options, di ba? But ang tanong, may nagugustuhan ka ba? May nag-a-align ba sa'yo? So, I think there is someone na mag-a-align sa energy mo ngayong June. It comes with time and practice. I also see na kung dati medyo aloof ka, yung tipong umiiwas ka sa mga tao, ngayon mas lalabas ka. No? You will meet new people, connect with other people. You will do things na never mo pang nagawa before kasi natatakot kang gawin mo. Kasi nga ngayon, you want to be more confident at gusto mo na meron kang ma-achieve something na magi-inspire sa'yo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.